Hello viewers, I'm Rohit Khurana from Intellect Digest, and in this video I'm going to give you a quick review and unboxing of the Micromax Canvas 3D A115, which is a dual core processor phone. The USP of this phone is that it has a 5-inch 3-dimensional display, and this is a glassless 3D. You don't need to wear special 3D glasses to view 3D effects on this glass. Let me quickly unbox by cutting the seal and show you what comes inside, and we'll quickly boot up the phone and show you the interface and how the 3D screen looks in reality. So here we have the phone with us. So first thing in the box is the Micromax Canvas A115 or the Canvas 3D itself. There is a plastic covering on the screen, so let me first remove that. It looks almost exactly like the Micromax Canvas 2 A110 from the front. The rear is slightly different, it is more rubberized. This is the 5 megapixel camera module at the back. A pronounced Micromax logo here, which is not there in the previous series. Micromax branding down there. Speaker mesh, dual LED flash with 5 megapixel camera. On top you have a micro USB port for charging as well as data transfer. This is the standard 3.5mm audio jack. On the bottom you have a mic hole over here. Large 5-inch screen, 3 touch buttons at the bottom. Front facing VGA camera, the normal speaker mesh over here, power or wake up key on the right hand side. On the left side you have a volume rocker, which seems to be much improved in quality compared to the Micromax Canvas 2 A110. Let us go further in the box and show you what else is there. So there is a standard Micromax wall charger that you get in the Canvas series. The standard set of earphones that you get with the other Micromax Canvas phones. Normal to micro USB cable. 2000 mAh battery that you get on the Canvas series. Let me open up the back flap and show you what lies beneath. So under this rubber finish back flap you have 2 SIM card slots. These are normal size SIMs, and in the middle you have a micro SD card slot. There is no micro SD card included in the box. Let us put the battery and try to boot it up and show you how the boot screen looks like and where the 3D magic starts to kick in. Until it boots, let me also show you what else comes in the box. So you have some Micromax manuals, the user guide, the warranty statements, standard documentation. So it has booted up and it runs the Android Jelly Bean 4.1.2 out of the box. So far no 3D effect. It's 2D with Jelly Bean. It looks like a Micromax Canvas 2 with a Jelly Bean and similar screen. Let me turn on the 3D mode and show you how the 3D mode works like. So when you are in 3D mode, it gives some extra depth to the screen. As you can see, when I swivel the screen slightly, you will see some depth in the screen. This is a glassless 3D technology, so you don't need to wear glasses to use it. And how it works is basically, if you have seen the sheets with crisscross hatchings on the surface, it works something like that. It converts your phone display into a crisscross screen like finish, and it will add depth to that screen, so you don't need to wear 3D glasses. It may be slightly straining to your eyes. We have seen HTC Evo 3D, which was launched some years back, using some kind of similar technology. So on 3D Zone you get 3D YouTube, where you can stream videos. You can use 3D camera, in which you can click pictures, 3D games, 3D videos, 3D gallery, etc. Interestingly, there is no 3D picture stored on this device, but there is a 3D video stored on this device. I'll quickly show you a quick preview of the same. So when I run this video, you can see from various angles, you can see slightly different text. So it may not appear 3D to you on this video, but to me it appears 3D when I'm looking it from my eyes here. So in my opinion, on my first impression of this phone, I think that this is not 3D, but this is an emulated 3D with some graphic rendering in such a way where it projects overlapped images in different depths, so it creates a 3D effect which is glassless 3D. Talking of the specification, it is powered by a 1 GHz dual core processor, has 512 MB of RAM, 4 GB internal memory, and you can add a micro SD card slot to increase the memory by up to 32 GB more. It supports 3G, 2G, it has 2 SIMs, so it's a dual SIM, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, etc. So standard specification, nice 5-inch screen with 480 by 800 pixel display resolution. It is not a high definition display unlike the Canvas HD A116. This is more like the Canvas 2, which is A110. This is not the first time that we are seeing this, but at this price point of under 10,000 rupees, it is definitely the first time, and Micromax is the first Indian brand to bring a glassless 3D in India. This is all we have on a quick review. We'll come up with the benchmarks, detailed review, performance, specification review very soon. If you like our video, please press the like button below. If you want to see our detailed review, please press the subscribe button to get the latest video updates. This is Rohit Khurana signing off. Thanks for watching.